Good evening students, welcome to my video lesson. Today I shall take up English for class 9, book Beehive and unit 6, My Childhood. Now in this lesson the author and narrator APJ Abdul Kalam has talked about his childhood. My Childhood is an extract taken from the biography of APJ Abdul Kalam, Wings of Fire. He was a great scientist and also the 14th President of India. He was born in a middle-class Muslim family in 1931 in the island town of Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. In his childhood, he was greatly influenced by his parents, his teachers, and his friends. His father, Jainul Abdin, was not highly educated, but he was a generous and kind person. He had some inner wisdom acquired from the experience of life. He was not rich but provided a secure childhood to Kalam and his other brothers and sisters. Kalam inherited honesty and self-discipline from his father and faith in goodness and deep kindness from his mother. Kalam earned his first wages by working as a helping hand to his cousin Shamsuddin, who distributed newspaper in the town of Rameswaram. In his childhood, he had three close friends, Ramanatha Shastri, Aravindan and Siva Prakashan. Once, when he was in 5th standard, a new teacher asked him not to sit in the front row along with the high caste Brahmin boys. Kalam found Ramanatha Shastri weeping as he went to the last row. This made a lasting impression on Kalam. Kalam was also greatly influenced by his science teacher, Siba Subramania Iyer. He learned the lesson of breaking social barriers from him. Iyer invited him to his home for a meal. His wife refused to serve food to a Muslim boy in her sacred kitchen. Iyer so served him with his own hands and sat down beside him to eat his food. He convinced his wife to serve meal with her own hands and thus was successful in changing her conservative attitude. For higher education, Kalam sought permission from his father to leave Rameswaram and study at the district headquarters in Ramanathapuram, other side of Rameswaram, across the part of the sea. His father said that Kalam had to go a long way in life, just like a seagull which flies long distances. He calmed down APJ's reluctant mother by quoting Khalil Gibran's poem Your Children. He said that children could not be dominated by her because they had their own thoughts and wills. and of course their own destiny. They did not belong to her but were a result of life's desire for itself. He asked her to give them freedom to fulfill their ambitions and God's will. So, this is the summary of the lesson, My Childhood. And detail you shall come to know as you will read and understand the lesson. Okay? So this is all for today. We shall again meet in my next video lesson. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice time. Thank you.